Hi, Sam Villa here, and welcome to Sam's Hair Hacks, all about tips, tricks, ideas, and today's product of choice is going to be Rough Paste 12, a cream paste, PC undone texture. It's awesome for that type of character in hair. Great for medium control, and the paste is great because it has long-lasting definition and texture. It creates a ragged, deconstructed texture with flexibility. Now, let's do a cool little trick called a 3D braid. So we're going to take our rough paste, and I like working with rough paste when I braid because it brings all of that hair together. You have a little bit more control. So even though I have a medium control of 12, I'm loving it for braiding. Okay, emulsify. We're going to go three sections. So we go 1, 2, and 3. Now, every time on the outside, I'm going to split that section and pass it through the middle. So watch on the right. I split that, open it up, pass it through the middle. It moves to the middle and it becomes one section in the middle. So rather than going over, under, just split the section. Okay, now all I do is split that, and then I pass that, split right through the middle, and it all becomes one section. Watch again as I work down. So I'm on the right side, always the outside. Split that in the center, and look how the rough paste gives me my control. Now split, pass through, and gather. Okay, now left side. So it's always your outside. Split, open, pass through, and gather. Now we go to the right side. So I love this, guys, because it's simple. It's just the idea of splitting a section and passing it through. But what's so cool is watch how this braid is going to look three-dimensional. Look at the control I'm getting with my Rough Paste 12 cream paste. Split right side, pass through. That becomes one when you split to the center. Now watch, split outside, open, pass through, grab what you split, that becomes the center piece, all one section. Split on the right side, now come through, gather. One more time, split on the left side, come back through, and gather. Now here's where I want you to look. Take a look at that. Anytime, anywhere I move this, it's three-dimensional, rather than being so flat as a braid. And that's what's so cool, guys, about doing things in a different way. So you add character to a braid, or you create simplicity. Now we're just gonna come through, take the palm of the hand, the rest of the rough paste that you have in your hand, and just rough that section up. And voila, you've got a really cool look in terms of going in and creating a braid. So I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna use one more elastic over that just to kind of gather that, and you're good to go. Rough Paste 12 cream paste, 3D braid. Hope you enjoy it, my friends. Thanks for watching. Want more hacks? Be sure to check out Sam's Corner on the new Redken Break Room. If you love to learn, be sure to follow @Redken 5th Ave on Instagram for more hacks and tricks from me.